Hey guys, I thought I would just take a minute to show you something that I thought was actually pretty cool that my dad came up with. We're ripping out the linoleum in this apartment that we're redoing and putting new flooring down. And whoever installed this linoleum over top of Luan installed 1,000,000 staples, little tiny staples all over the place. And we probably have about, if I had to guess, 20 hours so far into removing the staples in this place, and it's absolutely crazy. And I've watched a couple YouTube videos where people have recommended to use, I don't know, wire cutters, or they're kind of angled diagonal pliers. One thing that is nice about these diagonal pliers is that if you have staples that are flattened or pushed down into the wood, you can use this tip to dive into it, grip it, and then kind of use the side to wedge it and pull it out. You can also use it by the side, but that's probably one of the best parts about this is if you have something that's flat down, you can use it, grip it, and kind of, rock it on the ground to pull it up. So these definitely do have a purpose when pulling out the staples, but something that I thought was kind of cool was all these staples are in a line, and my dad took a flathead screwdriver and he took a staple home and he grinded it down to make it to where the tip of the screwdriver fits into these staples, and then he took and he bent just a little bit, just enough so you're not digging into the wood when you hammer this, but he bent the tip. Let's see if I can bring this up. So the staple goes over top, and he bent the tip, and you just sit down and you can hammer down a whole entire row and clear these things out pretty quickly. And after each one, you kind of just guide the tip so that it lines up. But you will see that it pulled all the staples out. Now I would have had to grab those individually, pull them up, and not that those pliers don't work, but if these staples are in a straight row, like this floor is, this is perfect. And you should definitely look at trying to make one of these at your house, or if there's a company out there, you should definitely make one of these and sell these as a staple remover for Luan. So I gotta get back to work, but I figured I'd just take a minute to show you this cool tool that my dad built to take staples out of a floor for that was Luan and linoleum before they were putting down vinyl. So let me go back to work. Thanks, guys.